Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So this one was a highly requested video. Okay, so I just decided to yes, drop this video for you guys. So this is step one on how to maintain your S-curl look. Okay, so what I use to wash his hair, guys, is that neutralizing shampoo, and I'm gonna put that on the side of the screen right there. And that actually came in the kit when I first used it on his hair 2 weeks ago. But yes guys, that's the same shampoo I've been using on his hair, just a little bit. Remember, a little goes a long way. Okay. Okay, lovelies, I just want to emphasize and letting you guys know that you do need this neutralizing shampoo that was in the kit. Okay, so make sure that you guys do not use the full shampoo on your first go for this S-curl, okay, because this actually helps maintain your look. So you need to actually use a little at a time. I was actually browsing the internet to see if they do sell this individually, but I did not see it anywhere. But if you guys do know where they sell this individually, just drop it in the comments and let me know. Okay. Okay, lovely. So what I'm doing is just like cleaning up his faces a bit and just gonna give him a nice little lineup and stuff so I could get him prepared and prepped and ready for the look. Okay. Okay, lovelies, if you have reached this far in this video, this is only a friendly reminder reminding you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Yes guys, please hit that subscribe button if you are not yet a part of the Miss Kimmy K family. Hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the family, and also show your girl some love by hitting that like button, thumbs up this video, and also share this channel with your friends and family. And please feel free to drop a comment down below. Okay, lovely. The moment you guys have been waiting for is here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is use this S-curl activator and moisturizer. Okay, we're gonna spray it entirely over the head, okay, evenly over the head, and you're gonna use your fingertips to massage this moisturizer completely through your hair. Okay, so for this moisturizer, guys, if you want to maintain your look, you need to use this daily, okay, to maintain the proper moisture balance. All right, so you want to make sure that you use this, let me repeat, daily. Okay, so you have that moisture in your hair. You don't want your hair to be left dry and alone, thirsty. We don't want that. Okay, we want your hair to be moisturized and stuff. We put a lot of work in this hair, so you gotta maintain the look. So this right here is step 2. Okay. Okay, guys, we are on step 3, which is the final step, in which I'm applying the gel. Okay, the gel is step 3. All right, so I put it in the palm of my hands. I rub my hands together, and now I'm applying it throughout his hair. You're gonna adjust the amount in accordance to the length and thickness of your hair. Okay, so I'm just using my fingertips to just style his hair, to work with the curls and stuff, and making sure that curl is coming along in his hair. With the gel, guys, you're going to use this every 3 to 4 days, okay, for best results. So the moisturizer spray, in which I use for the second step, that you're going to be using daily to make sure that your hair is fully and completely moisturized. And the gel you are going to use every 3 to 4 days. Okay, lovelies, we have come to the end of this video. But lovelies, just in case you guys want to have this pop-in curls to maintain your S curl, just follow this 1, 2, 3-step process, and you guys will have pop-in curls just like this. Okay, so guys, comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys would love to see, and also let me know how the the S curl looks. Okay, this has been like a 2 weeks since I did his hair, and we've been maintaining it. So yes, let me know what you guys think. Okay, and also please don't forget to share this video. And also, we are on a road to get Miss Kimmy K to 50K subscribers. Okay, so please share this video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. You like it?
Yeah.
See, look on the curl.
I can't see, it's too much lights in my eyes. I gotta see it in the mirror.
Oh, let me show you the mirror. Hold on.
That's a mirror.
You have hair on your teeth. Nice.
Try it, man.
Alright. Look like I just did it. Look, I just did it. Good.
Very good, you guys. Book Kimmy K.
Book Kimmy K.
Okay.
Book, that's what I want to
Book
say.
Kimmy K. Okay.
Book Kimmy K. Okay.